Afternoon, students. Today we are starting new chapter number 8, winds, storms and cyclone. So here in this chapter we will study about wind, storms and cyclone. So firstly I am telling you some basic terms like atmosphere. What is atmosphere? The layer of air surrounding the earth is known as atmosphere. And what is atmospheric pressure? The atmosphere exerts a pressure is called atmospheric pressure. So now we are learning about the properties of air. So first property is air around us exerts pressure. So here you can see that we have taken a tin can and heat it with its cork. Now heat will make the air inside hot and the hot air will leave the container. Now quickly close the container and we will notice that the tin can collapses. Why does this happen? We will notice here the air inside the tin container is expelled partially on heating when we close the container, and there is no way for the air outside to enter the tin, and the air pressure inside is less than the air pressure outside the tin, and the air outside the tin presses against its surface and this crushes the tin. So this was regarding that air around us exerts pressure. So now after this we will study the next topic, that is wind. So we know air is all around us. When air moves horizontally from one place to another, it is known as wind. And the earth do not receive equal amount of heat from the sun. As you know that at the equator maximum heat is received, and this movement of air from high air pressure area to low pressure area is known as wind. Now the instrument used to find out the direction in which the wind is blowing is called a wind vane. Now you can see here wind vane. It consists of a pointer and a vane fixed to the opposite ends of a horizontal rods, which is pivoted at its center, and it tells the direction of the wind. So wind turns the vane towards the side in which it is blowing, and the direction in which wind is blowing is shown by the pointer. So now the speed of the wind depends upon the pressure difference between the two regions, and the pressure difference is high, the wind moves from high pressure region to low pressure region. And this is the anemometer, which measures the speed of the wind. And there are two types of anemometer. One is cup anemometer and other is propeller anemometer. So now take an empty bottle and then crumble a small piece of paper smaller than the mouth of the bottle. Now place the paper ball inside the mouth of the bottle and blow on the paper ball. When we blow into the mouth of the bottle, the air near the mouth has higher speed. This decreases the pressure near the mouth of the bottle as the air inside the bottle is higher. So now the next is take a strip of paper about 20 cm long and 3 cm wide, that the paper strips moves upward. Now you will blow the air into it. So why the strip will go upward? Because blowing over the paper reduces the air pressure. So now the next activity is take an empty bottle and then you will take the 3 beakers here. For the simple water in the first beaker, hot water in the second beaker and cold water in the third beaker. Now you will insert the test tube with the balloon in the simple water and take in the hot water and then observe for the 3. There is a change in the shape when you will immerse the test tube with balloon in the hot water. So now place the tube in the cold water for 3 to 4 minutes. You will observe again the balloon will deflate. So it means that hot air rises up. Now take 2 paper bags and you will hang these in inverted position from the 2 ends of the stick. Tie a thread to the sticks in the middle. And now hold the stick by the thread like in a balance and put a burning candle below one of the bag as shown. Now you will observe the balance of two bags get disturbed. This shows that on heating, warm air rises up and pushes the bag above the candle. So from this we have concluded that the warm air is lighter than cold air. So this was regarding the properties of